Hi viewers, just a very short video for you today, and yes, it is about this multi-species silver testing slide. Now most of you know that I've been making these silver testing slides for over 12 years now, and during that 12 years I've kept many of these offcuts, which are known in the trade as thins. Can't really be used for much because they're too thin basically, but some of them got very attractive grain, and I was purposely saving them for this very project to make some multi-species hardwood silver testing slides. And there was another reason that I also chose to do it at this point, because I've actually made 3,000 of these now. And I thought, oh, as a sort of kind of a celebratory slide of 3,000, I'd crack on and do the multi-species slides. Now I have only managed to make 3 of them. There's another one there. But for those who are into woodworking, these were all laminated together with D4 wood glue. And for those interested in the species, we have zebrano, purple heart, black ash, leopard wood, amazique, mahogany, that is zebrano, zebra wood or zebrano, red palm, and I think also there is some walnut there and walnut. So yeah, a whole mix of species that I've been saving up for 12 years and finally got round to using it. Anyway, they are branded on the inside, the CCT logo there, and yeah, so there will only be 3, but also while I was on this video, I wanted to answer a couple questions, because a few people on eBay have asked questions. One of them was, can you test Morgan dollars on it? Well, I know you're all shouting at the screen now saying, yeah, we've been testing our Morgans on it for 12 years. So here we have the Morgan dollar. Now, many of you might remember that I did have a couple fakes that were sent in to me, and I actually gifted them to community members or purchasers of my slides, so I haven't got a fake Morgan anymore. But obviously I do have some real ones there and there. And what was the other question? I can't remember what the other question was now. But yeah, this counterfeit Scottsdale bar, as you see, has a slight resistance because it's made out of brass, which contains copper. All covered in the multitude of videos. This fake panda, which those of you who might not have seen the video where I cut this in half with a laser, I'll put a link to it up there. Yeah, so many fakes. Oh, that's catching because it's got a rough laser cut on it. So it's dragging on the edge there. But yeah, so very pleased to finally, after all them years, get around to making a few. There will only be, there is only 3, and I don't think I've got enough of these thins left to laminate up anymore, because you need to laminate up enough, you know, not just laminate short pieces to make one slide out of, because that's impossible to machine up anyway. So anyway, I will leave links to where my, well, not down there, not up there, down there, links to where you can purchase my silver testing slides for those of you that haven't got one. I still have some exotic woods left, and sadly I've got to take a break from slide making because of supply issues. I'll go into it, but yeah, I've got supply issues, not for the timber, it's for the other components, the hinges and the buffers. So I've got to try and source new supplies, and I thought that's an ideal time for me to take a break But do bookmark, if you're in the US, bookmark down there, bookmark my US distributor, because he will be getting some stock, and he will eventually be getting one of these as well, one of the 3. So bookmark his page, and then you can see what new stuff he lists. I think he's only got 3 available at the moment. Anyway, keep calm and keep stacking, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.